If you have a single colored image or shape, it is super easy to be able to just swap out the color to whatever you need. So let's say you download something like this Peking cat image. You see that it has a transparent background, which means it's not white, and all you see is the black object. So what you're going to need to do is just get an editing program that lets you swap that black out for something else. And luckily, there's a lot of free things out there that are very easy to use. One of the most popular ones is probably GIMP, and you can just go to gimp.org and download a copy of it there. And then once you do that, open it and you'll see this artboard that appears. What you're going to do is go to the top navigation area, which unfortunately you can't see in this video, but it goes across the top of your screen and it says File, Edit, Select, View, those sorts of things. You're going to click on File, Open, and then you'll see a pop-up to where you can navigate to where the file is on your computer. You're going to want to ideally get a PNG or an SVG, but don't get a JPEG because what you want is a transparent background, which means there's no white in the background. So typically that's going to be your PNG file. So you're going to select the PNG, click Open, then you'll see that the artwork appears on the artboard. Close that a little bit. So you only see part of it, that's just because it's a large file and it's zoomed in, but it's all there. So now what you're going to do, back in that top navigation again, you're going to click on Colors, and then a drop-down menu appears, and then click on Colorize. Then you'll see a colored strip appears here. It doesn't matter what color it is, this is just one that I had recently used, so it's showing that color. Click on it, and then you're going to see this little panel where you can move this bar up and down and get an array of colors. And then you'll see right here where it says current, that's the color that you're picking. And it shows you the previous color if you're wanting to compare side by side. So use this vertical bar to select the color, and then this changes it to if you want it to be like a light blue or dark blue. And so you can just kind of play with it, and you can see in the background that it's trying to update the image as I go along. So let's say we want to do a pale purple. So that looks good. I'll click OK. Another one pops up, just click OK again. And then once it's done, you're just going to go up to File, Export As, and make sure you click Export As and not Save As. So then you can select where you want the file to go. So I'm going to save it to my desktop just to make things easy, and I'm also going to just add -purple. Export. This is just advanced options. They're all fine by default, so you can just click export again. Once that's done, you'll be able to go navigate to where you had the file saved to. Just double click and open it. And there you go. You can see that the transparent background is still there, and now it's just purple. It's as simple as that.